system. Activating combat mode.
Commence mission. Eliminate the PCA's mandatory inspection squads.
I'm grateful for your support, Raven. We'll rendezvous later on.
Code 1-5. Unknown HC. Where did it come from? Eliminate it.
Subject guard sentry MTs. Watch out for their laser fire. We're clear. Keep moving, 621.
Code 3-1C. Sustaining fire from an unknown HC. Support. Don't give that HC an inch.
Raven, don't underestimate those MCs. Mass produced, they're an essential component of the PCA suppression force.
Inspection. Looks like you're clear here.
I was right to count on the wall climber. Keep up the good work.
I looked into this Kate. She's not even registered in the arena. Be ready for company if her plan to ambush the rear guard goes south.
Code 7-8. Requesting backup. Taking heavy fire. This position's under attack too. Presently exchanging fire.
Right on schedule. Looks like Kate's on the move.
AP at 50%.
Confirmed. The inspection squad inside the arsenal has been wiped out. It looks like we beat Kate.
Raven, I've finished mopping up, but I have something to report. The PCA has made an unexpected move. Let's rendezvous for now.
You heard the lady. Updating marker data.
Attending scene. We've got a 3-1C on our hands. Lost inspection team. Rotator in the state.
Raven!
Special Forces craft destroyed. 2 remaining.
Light ammunition at 50%. Left-hand ammunition at 50%.
Can't be. It really is.
One hostile left. It's not over yet, 621.
Impressive, Raven.
Mandatory inspection followed by a Special Forces deployment.
I was right to choose you.
Code 3-1C. Sustaining heavy fire. Damn it.
Making headway, 621. Keep pushing.
Can't stop them. Submitting. System query.
Confirmed. All Special Forces craft destroyed. We're done here, 621.
Excellent work, Raven. You've shown me a thing or two.